Thutha wa nditimurano ya ihinda ya utongoria iria koretwo igitogia kiama kia ODM, riu kanjo ya utongoria wa kiama giki ni anireire guikia nja Edwin Sifuna ta mwandiki munene wa kiama giki, na giturwa giake gigithukirwo mubunge mutumia wa Busia Catherine Omanyo uria urari munini wake.
Having deliberated on matters relating to the conduct of the Secretary General Senator Edwin Sifuna, the NEC resolved to remove him from office with immediate effect in accordance with the party constitution and applicable laws. Effectively, the Deputy Secretary General, Honorable yours truly, Catherine Omanyo, will act in this position until a substantive holder of the position is elected.
Kanjo ino yugete Sifuna akoretwo agithie mugaro wa mawatho ma kiama giki na ndakorwo aracira uru wakio arinja.
The NEC expressed grave concern over the rising levels of indiscipline within the party, particularly at the senior leadership level. The committee underscored that ODM is governed by its constitution, the rule of law, and collective decision making through its duly constituted organ.
Oho kiama giki gikianirira kuyeheria ngwataniro-ini ya Azimio, mutongoria wa kiama giki Oburu Odinga akioneka kurakario ni matua maria matuirwo utongoria-ini wa Azimio marugamirirwo ni president wa kana Uhuru Kenyatta.
This thing called Azimio, we are the Azimio. The majority, the strongest party in Azimio was ourselves as ODM. There is nobody who can make a decision in Azimio without concurrence of ODM. And you cannot purport to appoint a new leader of Azimio, excluding and bypassing this party called ODM.
Oho kiama giki githiete na mbere na kuga ni nginya maundu 10 maria mari ngirimiti-ini yao na kiama kia UDA makinyanirio, amwe na gukinyanirio kwa riboti ya Nandiko guku nake mutongoria wa anini bunge-ini niwe Junet Mohamed akiheo igeririki wa gutigirira kigina gia ciringi bilioni 450 kuri thirikari cia county ni giakinyanira.
The NEC reaffirmed ODM's commitment to democratic governance, constitutionalism, social justice, and the pursuit for a broad-based, inclusive, and reform-oriented government that reflects the will and aspirations of the Kenyan people.
Oho mathiete na mbere na kuria thirikari itigirire ni aruta kigina gia kuigana ya gutafania marihi kuri aria mahutirio ni cieko cia ukiruku wa ihoto cia umundu. ODM ikiandikithia kigina giki kihitukire hari kamiti ya ihoto cia umundu guku bururi-ini. Kiama giki kiugite ni gigakorwo gigitafania mucemanio wa amemba akio othe tariki 27 mweri wa gatatu mwaka uyu, kuria gigakorwo gikirunga maingi megie mwerekera wa kiama giki githurano-ini giukite. Itua ria kanjo ino rikirigirirwo gwakiriria urugari wa giuteti bururi-ini mieri minini mbere ya githurano kinene. Andu-ini ha Inooro TV kuma guku gicua-ini kaunti ya Mombasa, nie njitagwo Francis Madi.